Hey guys, welcome to our new video. Today we have a 2008 Chevy Aveo and we are changing sway bar link on this car. So these are your sway bar links. So that one is sway bar link. You have to open it up. Before that you have to remove your ABS sensor from that, and this one is 18 mm and the back side is also 18 mm, so you have to open these two 18 mm screw, sorry 17 mm screw to work on this. And for this you need a vice grip to hold your sway bar link from the back, and you can use a 17 mm socket, and you can use a 1/2 inch gun to open this up. So let's do it. So upper side we already open it. So for the lower side you can use like this. If you don't have a gun, you can use 14 mm between sway bar link, and you can use a 17 mm socket on the other side to open this up. So that's our old one and that's our new one. So as you can see, there is so much play in that. So to put this one back, it's pretty easy. Just unscrew the bolt, and you can put it like this. Either you can put it the lower one first and then use a crowbar to do like this and to pull it down. So that's how you can put it back. Now you can use 17 mm to tighten this up, or you can use Allen key in that. There is a hole in it. You can use Allen key and 17 mm or 18 mm. Just give me a second. So you can use 17 mm socket to tighten this up, or you can use Allen key in between that, and you can use a key to just tighten this up. And similarly you can put the lower bolt down there and tighten it up. You can check out the torque specs online, right? And then that's it. You can put the tire back, and that's how you can change the control on your car. It's pretty easy. You can do it at home. It's not a big deal, right? So the symptoms of bad sway bar link is like thumping noise. Whenever you are going through the potholes, you can hear some thumping noise. So make sure you check it regularly, that thing. And yeah, just tighten these two screw and that's it. You can put the tire back. That's how you can change it. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.